Situational English. Asking for directions. Pre-intermediate level. You want to get somewhere, but don't know the directions. What will you ask? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the station? I'm looking for the museum. Could you point me in the right direction? Which way is the park? Could you please show me how to get to the city center? Do you know how I can find a post office around here? I'm a bit lost. Can you help me find my way to the old town? Could you give me directions to the airport? I'm trying to find the zoo. Could you tell me how to get there? Excuse me, I'm new in town. Could you direct me to the nearest bus stop? How do I get to the hotel from here?